I'm Prahalad.
Hi, I'm Advik.
Hi, I'm Ajay.
Hi, I'm Srivallabha.
And we are LegisTracker.
Here's the problem. Every year, hundreds of new bills are introduced in Washington state that could all significantly impact small businesses. However, most small business owners don't have the time or the resources to track this type of legislation.
For example, my mom runs a bakery in Duvall, Washington. And like many other small businesses, she doesn't have the time to go over all the 500 plus bills that came out that year and to see what actually affects or impacts their business.
This means their voices are often left out of the democratic process.
LegisTracker's purpose is simple: to empower small business owners and everyday citizens to participate in democracy by making legislative, tracking, and advocacy available to everyone.
Our primary users are small business owners, restaurant owners, hair salons, service providers, and many more, who all need to stay informed about legislation affecting their livelihoods.
LegisTracker isn't just for business owners. It's for any Washington resident that wants to learn and engage with their state government, whether you're a student, teacher, retiree, or an activist.
Let me show you how LegisTracker works from the very beginning. New users can quickly sign up with their email, or existing users can simply log in. This process is fast and secure.
Next, you tell us about your business, your industry, location, and key concerns. Are you a restaurant owner worried about health regulations, or are you a retail shop concerned about minimum wage laws? LegisTracker uses this information to personalize your experience, showing you only the bills that matter to your business.
Now, I'm on the legislation page. Let me search for bills concerning small businesses. Here's SB 5421, a bill proposing new restaurant licensing requirements. I can see the summary, current status, and most importantly, how it could impact my business by clicking this link provided by LegisTracker. It looks like this bill would regulate hours of operation. That's going to hurt small restaurants open late like mine.
Now, let me navigate to the advocacy page so I can draft an email to my representative opposing this bill. Here, I'm just adding some information including my tone, the bill, and my position on the bill. Here, as you can see, it returned a fully formatted professional email. From finding a bill to contacting my representative, all in under 2 minutes. That's how LegisTracker makes civic engagement accessible.
Our app uses these keywords to cross-reference with the bill description to calculate an impact score, which is from a scale of 0 to 100. And the higher the impact score, the more it impacts the business. And this is to show you which bills actually would impact and affect your business.
We built LegisTracker using modern web technologies. Our front-end uses React for a responsive user interface, while our back-end runs on Supabase.
We integrated OpenState's legislative API for our real-time bill data, and then we use Gemini's API for our email generation feature. And then finally, we use Supabase as our database, and we deployed everything into a cloud infrastructure for reliability.
The biggest technical challenge was going through and structuring complex legislative data in order to make it user-friendly while also maintaining our accuracy.
In conclusion, that's LegisTracker, making democracy accessible, one step at a time.